Hello everyone, today we'll talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of not available on the application of Brave App Weekly settings. In this page we go to apps, default apps, app settings. In this page you will enter to Brave App and you will click here. Then this page of app info, you will click on first stop and you will click OK. Then you will enter to the window of storage. Here you will click on clear cache. Then you can turn off your Wi-Fi and you can turn on your Wi-Fi again to fix that problem. If it's not working with you, then you can uninstall your app and you can install it again on the application of Brave or on Play Store. So please don't forget to support us.